How to record audio in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, scroll down and go to the recording tools section. Here you will see three options: record, phone recording, and karaoke. From these options, select a record tool. This will open the audio recording interface. Make sure to grant any required permissions for microphone access if prompted, so you can record without any issues. Then enter the file name, sample rate, format, channel, and other settings and tap the start button. Tap the record button to start capturing audio. Speak clearly or play the audio you want to record. You will see the waveform display in real time as AudioLab records your sound. When you are done recording, tap the stop button, then tap the tick mark at the top right corner. Once finished, you can either play, edit, upload, or share your recorded audio. Now you know how to record audio in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.